What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy CT Trucker. We're coming to you live from Connecticut. Busy day today. We've been running around like a chicken with no head, and now I got the time to sit down with you guys and talk to you guys about insurance and how I went about getting my insurance for when I got my own authority. This is gonna be part one of the series, and as you guys can see, I got a big series ahead. So I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page and how I went through the processes of getting my own authority. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so step one of getting your own authority is you got to have an LLC or S Corp or some type of corporation started. So if you don't have that yet, you could go on LegalZoom or do it yourself. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that will walk you through the process on how to start an LLC or a corporation, whatnot. Me personally, I have an LLC. It was really simple. I think it took maybe 2 days to get everything all situated. You have to have that established first before going on to the next process. It's just easier and cleaner for your business. So that's step one. So the second step to getting your own authority is getting an insurance quote, right? So when I went out to get my insurance quote, I did the biggest mistake you could possibly do, and that was go directly to Progressive, because everybody's saying, oh, Progressive. That was the worst thing that I could have done. What I did was I called Progressive up and was like, hey, I'm looking for a quote. Oh, okay, great. They upsell you everything. So the next thing you know, you got like a $35,000 bill for your insurance, and you're like, oh, there's no way I could do this. Well, then talking to a couple guys who already have their authority, BOC Enterprise, and a couple other truckers that are not on YouTube, they kind of led me the right way, saying you need this, and this. So that was great information. So then I called back Progressive, and my quote went down a little bit. Not much. I think the first quote I got was $35,000. I think the second quote I got was like 29 something. It was crazy. It was bonkers. So I went on Facebook and I started getting into these groups on like trucking authority groups and stuff like that, and started reaching out to people and asked them questions like, is this normal for a first time owner, person go and get their authority? A lot of them were like, no, that's too high. You should be around maybe the 20,000 range, but nothing crazy, or maybe mid 25. Nothing above that. You shouldn't be nowhere above where you're saying you are. So I'm like, okay, great. I pretty much didn't know you don't go straight to the source. You got to go find a good agent. And that's what I did. And trust me, you're going to find a whole bunch of bad agents before you come across that one good agent. And I'm glad I came across Justin Stanley at Insure Big Rig, because he definitely is A1 and his staff is amazing. And I can honestly say 5 stars. I've already referred a whole bunch of people to him that are locals for me, and that's the crazy thing, is he actually helped a buddy of mine that I went to high school with get a cheaper rate than me. I'm just like, damn, Justin, what the heck? but he went with a total different company, and he's gonna do totally different things than I'm gonna do. So like I said, getting an insurance policy, if 5 of us lived in the same town, had the same record, we're all gonna have different policies. It's crazy. It's just crazy how commercial insurance works. But insurance will make or break you. It will definitely make or break your decision on getting your own authority. So finding that insurance agent is definitely the key. I did the groundwork for you guys. If you want to use Justin, he's a great guy. Tell him CT Trucker sent you, and that you want to shadow my policy, so then it'll just be easier. And I already told him, I was like, hey man, I'm gonna do a YouTube video because I want to help people, and if people contact you and say, hey, CT Trucker sent me, let them shadow my policy. So you got the okay with me. Like I said, I just want to help people out, I am not getting no referral for this or anything like that, so don't think that it's like I said, I'm just trying to help people out. But some of the coverages I got was the auto coverage we're gonna go through. I got 1 million, 100,000, and medical was 5,000. Commercial general liability, I got 100 or 1 million, 2 million, and 2 million. Right? I think that's how you say it. That's pretty much what covers your Amazon stuff, because Amazon requires you to have this coverage. Motor truck cargo is 100,000. That's standard. Physical damage trailer is 50,000. And what I paid down was $2,865, and my monthly is $1,432. So it was a lot easier for me to deal with all this. And also, I got a discount. I meant to write that in here. See, right here on the bottom. I got a discount because I use Keep Trucking, and I also took the 18% discount for letting them monitoring my trucking driving. You don't have to do that. It was just a lot cheaper for me. And I don't care. I drive like a fucking grandma anyway, so monitor so I could get that percentage. I did that with my personal car with Liberty Mutual, and I got probably one of the highest savings, my agent told me. So that's it guys. Like I said, contact Justin Stanley at Insure Big Rig. They're great people. Definitely classy and not that shady car salesman kind of people, and you're gonna be very happy that you chose them. But if not, if you decide you want to go with somebody else, just know, watch out for those sleazy guys that are gonna try to upsell you and try to push product down your throat. You don't want to deal with that. You want to deal with something that look out for your best interest. And that's what I'm looking for you guys. I already did all the legwork for you guys. I wouldn't have done all this. Show you, I'm trying to cover the sun. If I wasn't trying to help people out, you know what I'm saying? So 1 and 2, that's pretty much covering that today. Start your LLC, your corporation, and your insurance. I gave you the insurance person to talk to. If you want to just reach out and get a quote, talk to them. If not, you already know pretty much what I got for coverage. Anything besides that, I mean, you're just going to be upsell. They're going to try to upsell you product. Just be careful. And that's it. That's pretty much it. It's going to make or break you. This is the you're going to go left or you're gonna go right. So I hope that helps everybody. Stay tuned for part 3.